Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Let's learn colors name and numbers. Brown color, blue color, pink color, light green color, red color, violet color, black color, light pink color, green color, pink color, and yellow color. Now let's learn counting numbers. Number 1. O and E. 1. Number 2. Number 2. TWO. 2. Number 3. THREE. 3. Number 4. FOUR. 4. Number 5. FIVE. 5. Number 5. Number 6. SIX. Number 6. Number 7. SEVEN. 7. Number 8. EIGHT. 8. Number 8. Number 9. Number 9. NINE. 9. Number 9. Number 10. TEN. Number 10. Number 10. Number 11. 1 1. 11. Number 11. ELEVEN. 11. Number 12. TWELVE. 12. TWELVE. 12. Number 13. 1 3. 13. THIRTWEN. 13. Number 14. FOURTWEN. 14. Number 15. FIFTWEN. 15. Number 15. Number 16. 1 6. 16. SIX. TWEN. 16. Number 17. 1 7. 17. SEVEN. TWEN. 17. Number 18. EIGHTWN. 18. Number 18. Number 19. NINETWN. 19. 20. TWENTY. 20. Number 20. Now let's revise again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Thanks for watching. subscribe our channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.